day. Today I am coming back to you with another skincare video. As you guys know from my previous videos, I like to do skincare videos because it's always good to take care of your skin. So today I am going to try a new skincare item, and it's this mask. It's this cucumber mask that I picked up from Family Dollar. Is it Family Dollar? Yeah, from Family Dollar. So it's a peel off mask and it's from the brand Global Beauty Care. I paid $1 for this, and it says on the front, it says cucumber peel off mask, 15-minute facial therapy, deep cleansing gel based formula, unclogs pores and lifts away impurities, peels away dead skin cells. So the way this is supposed to work, it goes on as a gel, and then you're supposed to let it sit for 15 minutes and then let it dry and then peel it off, and it's supposed to peel away some dead skin cells. Again, keep losing my earrings. Every time I come on this video, I'm losing my earrings. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put this on. We're gonna wait 15 minutes and then peel it off. So it says, it has a warning on the back. It says, warning, for external use only. Avoid contact with eyes. It's irritating to eyes. All right, so I have to avoid contact with eyes, and I believe they also set around the mouth. So let's see how this works. So it comes with 2 packages. So it comes in this little box, and then within that box we have 2 pouches. So we're gonna go ahead and use this one of these today, and then save the next one for another time. So just peel it. It has like a little perforation right here, so you just peel it off. And inside the pouch we have, let me see, come on, open up for me. Okay, so inside the pouch we have, it looks clear on camera, but it's really a green tinted gel. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this all over my face. Okay, so this is it. Not bad. Ow. Stay away from eyes. Ooh, wait a minute. I'm gonna go over here and use this mirror. Don't want to get it in my eyes. It's really sticky. I'm trying to get it on a nice layer so that when I peel it off, it doesn't rip, and I'm able to get a nice lift. So this is what it looks like. Oh, it said, yeah, stay away from eyes, mouth, and your hairline, because I'm guessing it'll rip your hair out. Wow. I put it on my eyebrows. That might be an issue. Put some on my neck, because whatever you do to your face, you're supposed to do to your neck. Okay. Oh, and by the way, I did already cleanse my face, so my face is clean. It's really, really sticky. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it's all on. Nice and shiny. So according to the instructions, it says leave on for 10 to 15 minutes or until completely dry. Gentle peel off mask, starting at the jawline in an upward motion. Then rinse your face with warm water to remove any residue. For best results, use twice per week. All right, guys, so this is it. I am going to go ahead and leave it on for 15 minutes, and then I'll come back and take it off on camera. So see you in a little bit. Okay guys, it's been 15 minutes since I put the mask on. Feels a little bit tight on my face. You could see where it has some it's drying on my neck, but when I'm supposed to touch it, and you know, it's supposed to be dry to the feel, and then I'm supposed to peel it off. But if I touch my forehead right here, you see that's dry. It's not coming back with any kind of residue. But when I touch my cheek, it's still a little bit tacky. So I need to let it dry a little bit longer and get a little tighter, and then I'll come back and peel. So it's been 15 minutes. So I think I'm going to leave it on for another 10 minutes, 15 minutes maybe. And like I said, the reason I'm talking like this is because it's tightened around my face. So it's not easy to talk as freely as I would like to. But I'm still going to leave it on for a little bit longer so that, you know, I could peel it off better. Because if I try to take it off now while it's still a little bit wet and a little bit tacky, it's not going to come off properly. So another 15 minutes and I'll peel it off. I think the reason why it hasn't dried yet is because I put on too much on my cheeks. I just went in with a thin film on my forehead and around here, but on my cheeks I went in a little bit too heavy, so it just needs a little bit more time to dry. So I'll be back in another 15 minutes. So it's been another 15 minutes, so total half an hour. I did have to go in and fan my face with this just to help it dry a little bit quicker. And the reason I'm talking like this and you're not seeing my lips move too much is because it has gotten really tight around my face. Even though it's shiny, it's dry to the touch. So now we are gonna go ahead and start peeling. As you see, there's some peeling started from my neck. So we're gonna go in and peel up until we get all of it off. So let's do it together. And after I peel it off, I'm gonna go in and wash my face. So let me do it on camera, starting with the neck. Okay. It does hurt a little bit, but not a lot. So this is what it looks like coming off. It's not really showing any like skin or anything under it, but it does hurt a little bit because it's pulling at my hair on my face, because you know we all have hair on our faces. So let me see if I could grab another section and work with that. So it's a thin layer, so it's hard to pick up. Okay, so it feels like just thin layer of like glue, but it hurts. It does hurt a little bit. I'm gonna go in and peel all of this off. You don't really see any like dirt or anything, but I'm gonna see if there's a difference in the feel of my skin afterwards. I'm just hoping that when I get up to the eyebrows, it does not take off any hair off my eyebrows, because I hardly have any as it is. You guys know that's a struggle for me. Eyebrows. Don't have any eyebrows, but as soon as I'm able to, I will do microblading. See? The things we do for beauty. This is the largest piece. Let me inspect it. There's really nothing on here. No blackheads or anything like that, but I wouldn't expect it to, because I do a pretty good job of taking care of my skin on a daily basis. It's just something I thought I would try out and show you guys on camera, just in case you were thinking of doing this and wanted to. I'm telling you right now, it hurts to take it off. Okay, is my hair still intact on my eyebrows? Yep, good to go. I didn't lose any hairs. So I'm gonna take off the rest of this and wash my face, and then reapply my lip gloss. This is lip gloss I have on my lips, that's why it's so shiny. Alright, so let's well, honestly, before I wash my face, as far as the feel of my skin, it really does feel a lot smoother since I put this on. So I guess it does help by lifting like a nice thin layer, but my skin does feel smooth. Okay, let me go in and wipe this off using paper towel. As you guys know, I always tell you, use paper towel because the washcloth has bacteria. Paper towel, use it and throw it out. All right, comes off pretty easily using the paper towel. The little bit that did get in my eye did not irritate, so that's a good thing. I know that's probably a question you have, but my skin does feel so much better. And I think it looks better too. What do you guys think? I think this is something I'm gonna continue to use. I like the way it feels, and it's not expensive. Like I said, it only cost $1. Or if you forgot what the package looked like, this is it. I got it from Family Dollar. I don't know if they carry it at the Dollar Tree also, but it's called the Cucumber Peel Off Mask. So it's a gel and it dries and you peel it. And now that all of the residue is off of my face and my neck, it really does feel good. I'm gonna go in now and just put on some renewing face moisturizer, and this is from St. Ives. Give me a second, I'll show it to you. This is also gonna be in my April favorites video. And I think I've talked about this before. This is my nighttime routine. This is my St. Ives Renewing Collagen and Elasting Moisturizer. And I use this every day. Not expensive. I think I got this from either Walmart or Walgreens, but I'm sure you could find it. It's the drugstore brand St. Ives. So put my lotion on. Again, I lost my earring, Lord. Got some in my hair, get that out. Face is nice and moisturized. Put on a little bit of lip gloss for the day, or lip therapy. And this lip gloss is from Bath and Body Works, and it is super moisturizing, and it is called My Favorite Lip Balm Natural Shea Butter, and the brand is Bigelow. So I got it from Bath and Body Works, and I like to use this daily. So that is it, guys. My skin does feel better after using the mask. So here it is. Cucumber peel off mask, very nice. Skin feel great. So if you're interested in this, you could pick it up from Family Dollar or check the Dollar Tree for it, because I know the Dollar Tree and Family Dollar carry similar items. So again, thank you for watching my video as always, and I will see you on the next one. Until next time, take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.